Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Made Easy. In this video I want to show you how you can claim 6 million Shibainu Swap airdrop. I'll drop the link to the airdrop in the description, which you can just copy and paste in your Trust Wallet DApps. Okay, so I have it right here. I'll just click on it, and once it loads up, the first thing you want to do is to change your network to Smart Chain. Mine is already on Smart Chain. I've done it before, but if you're doing it for the first time, you want to change the network to Smart Chain, and then you scroll down to airdrop, claim 6 million SHIBAS. Let me see if I can claim it again, even though I claimed it earlier. So this is the transaction fee which I will have to pay, and then I authorize it, and it is done. And you can also come right here and paste your BEP20 address and get a referral link which you can share with other persons, and you earn from their claim as well. If you want to buy, you can also buy, even though I recommend that if you want to buy, you have to do your research and find out more about this particular coin. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping more videos such as this. And if you like to be kept abreast of future airdrops, check the link in the description to join my airdrops channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.